Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Fiesta cabin filter. First, ensure you have all the necessary items ready. You will need a new cabin air filter, which is crucial for clean air inside your car. Also, grab a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. A flashlight can be very helpful to see into tight spaces. Having these few tools prepared will make the entire process smooth and straightforward, saving you time and effort. To access the cabin filter, you first need to open your Ford Fiesta's glove box. Carefully remove everything inside to give yourself clear access. Next, look for the screws or clips that secure the glove box to the dashboard. Typically, there are a few screws along the top and bottom edges. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Some models might have clips that simply unlatch, so check your specific vehicle's design. Once the glove box is out of the way, you will see the cabin filter housing, often a rectangular plastic cover. There might be a few clips or small screws holding this cover in place. Carefully unclip or unscrew it and remove the cover. Now, you can gently pull out the old cabin air filter. Notice its orientation and the airflow arrow. Take your new filter and ensure its airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one, usually towards the rear of the car. After installing the new filter, carefully reattach the filter housing cover, making sure it clicks or screws securely into place. Then, align the glove box back into its position and reinsert all the screws or clips you removed earlier. Double-check that the glove box is firmly attached and operates correctly. With your new cabin filter, you will immediately notice cleaner, fresher air inside your Ford Fiesta, reducing dust and allergens for a more pleasant driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.